This is Allerton Road leading up to Creek Road, and obviously it is closed. Copson Township, Westchester. My last way back to work.